Do you ever feel self-conscious on camera? Because I want to ask you a personal question, and it may seem silly, but am I too fat to be on YouTube, to be a YouTube marketer? Don't answer right away. Don't be just polite, because maybe I am too fat. Let's talk about it, because I want to know what you think. My name is Dane Golden. This is Hey.com, and I'm here because I love helping brands and business owners like yourselves grow their customer communities through helpful how-to videos. But what about if you're super conscious like me that you're overweight? Now, I'm not as big as some, I'm not as skinny as others, but at 220 pounds, the statistics say I'm 50 pounds overweight. So that's essentially, I'm like a third extra what I should be. And beyond the health concerns, what about just, am I good looking enough to be on YouTube? Am I young enough? Am I thin enough? These are, does my hair look good? I'm balding. Do I have too many wrinkles? And I think that that's what a lot of people are worried about when they get on YouTube is, do they look okay? I choose to wear collared shirts instead of t-shirts generally, because I'm trying to portray that I'm serious about helping business. But business isn't necessarily t-shirts versus collared shirts, but I'm just trying to see if I can be helpful. So I think that it's worth asking, am I too fat? Is there a limit to how healthy or young or good looking you have to be on YouTube? And apart from the normal health concerns about being overweight, I think it's important to ask that question. And my answer is very simply, if you are helpful to your customers through video, then it doesn't matter how you look. It doesn't matter how old you look. If you're a man, you're a woman, you're tall, you're short, you're bald, not bald. I think the idea is to be helpful. And I'd like to know your opinion. That's my opinion. That's who I am. I'm trying to help people. And the great thing about video is that they see me, and some people are going to say, that guy, he's too old, he's too fat, he's too bald, he's wearing a collared shirt, he can't help me. And that's fine. I actually think that's a good thing, because I am who I am. And some people, when they see you on video, they're going to say, I can tell right away that's not the person I want to work with. And that's fine, because there's a group of people who say, gosh, with this guy's body language, I can tell that he's pretty frank and honest, and he's the type of guy that I want to work with. He seems to know what he's talking about. So tell me what you think in the comments. I've made another video for you to watch. I put it right here. Tell me what you think. I'm not perfect. I'm not the most good-looking person in the world, and I'm not the least good-looking person in the world. But apart from that, I'm here to help you. Take a look at that video.